Hi, this is Thomas with Cozy Grammar. I wanted to share a poem with you from my book, The Safety of Edges. It's a poem called Improvisation. You may not have thought of it this way before, but when we speak with each other spontaneously, when we're having a conversation with our friends or our family, we are actually involved in a complex and creative form of improvisation, making it up on the spot. And marvelous things can happen when we dare to follow our deepest sense of what wants to be said. Here's a poem about that. Improvisation only happens when it happens, though years may have passed, so what happens might happen. The musician who gets it right right now. Don't wait. When it happens, happen.